Hello. Who is it? It's 8-11. We're going to use him in the house. 16-2-3. Release on 4. Run. No run that. Legend. 16-2. Got him out. Hammer. He said, hold it. Pull him. Yeah. Get him in. Him out. Run Thunder Buster right here. Yeah, about 9. Capture 3 on 2. Lane spotlight. You got him. Hill. Whammy now. He's still standing strong. He went out. He did a launch. Get out. Here he goes. Here he is. There they come. See that aircraft right here is a 3276 on 4. We'll put him in the back. Him. Got him. Hold line. Here's a transfer. Here back. There you go. He's coming on 3. Boom. And now target's right. Target right. 16 going on 4. All right. He's pulling on 7. Whoop. He's transferring on 3. Got him in hatchet. Got him in. Hey. He's pulling. He says, come on. Here right now. We don't want me out. Look how many out there, but he's in my house. He's like, he's up in the audio. We my guy. Here my guy. Here they are. You my run. Here by them. Here by you. Big gun. Here by now. Aircraft here again. He comes split on 3 on 2. Watch push on. Here I'll be out. He's still there to land on 3. Go to launch. Launch 2, 3 on 4. Bond bag. Go. Take him. Hurry. Hey! It's gonna look that. It's, target right 16. I'm gonna need you. Yeah. Hey, let me hide it. Bring me. Hoy! Here he comes. Begin my guy. Let's see me guy. What we do? Here my guy. Warm me guy. Here he goes. He's gonna land. Launch. Go. Posey on 3, 2 on 7. Go. Got him target squad. Got him to land him. Land him in. Now you know why me. Hold the tree line. Hold the tree line. You have. What me up? That way. We're gonna blackjack going on 3, 2. Catch him on 1. Keep it out there. I heard it. All right, so the horn blew and he don't go. Hey, launch on 3, 6 on 10. 9, 8, 7. I got him. Target requires the keyhole. Hatchet. Land it. He's mine. Currently, he's mine on 6-3. Go pull on 2. I need him. Hold line. He's transferred 3. Pull him in. Upload. Transfer. Go back 2. 1, 3, 4. He's yours. Come on. 254. I need you on 6. Go to 3 speed. Bring him in. Hit him out. Hold line, catch it. 3, 4, go. Run him on 7. 3 line. 3 to 4, hold the line, 2 goes, get it out. Run him in. Oh, the whole sky turned pink. Get out. Run, yeah, 2 line. Oh, my whole foot's on. Go again. Feet off. Get out. Here he goes on 7. 3, 2, he's on lane speed. Got him, catch him on. Yo, here off. Stop running on. Yeah, up. He got on 4-2. He pulled it in. Yeah, he's still on board. He's waiting on her. Yeah, until it's got it. One more time. I want he's in there locking. Clocking in. Damn up. There goes the driver. I need you. Pull it in. Run. Give up. Well, there you are. He's ready. Team out. Give up. There we go. Come on. Let me not. Put it out. Here back. He's there. He went down. I'm too much in. Okay. Got him. 6-3. Central. I'm going to do it. I am out. Here back. Need you 2 on 4. Get him. He's locked in. He's captured. Deva. He's gone on 3. Go 2. 15. Wow. Here back. Put him back on 1, 2, 3. Got him. Lucky. He's loaded. Man him. Whoop. Put him on 7. He's captured. Deep. Hammer. That's enough. Run, Jackie Monk. I'm over, Clover. Whoa, that takes energy out. Hey, I heard it. How about he's still there? See, watch this. Is that cloud above him? He's gonna land right here on 2, 3. Go. 16 and all over there. Here, bye. That's enough. Thank you. Done, done, done.